guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Jasmine, Jassyyb, and today I will be doing a fashion haul. So I ordered 8 items from Romwe and they came. And let me tell you, I just love shopping. This fashion haul video gave me a reason to order some stuff offline, and I ordered it from Romwe, the app, but a lot of the stuff came in a Shein bag, so I'm just assuming that it's the same company, different name. So I purchased my items from Romwe. I don't even know if I'm pronouncing this right, but listen, I purchased my items from Romwe on May 11th. So that's when I placed my order. Today is May 19th, and that's when my stuff arrived. So it took 8 days for my stuff to arrive, which I don't think is a long time at all, because I mean there's a lot of things going on right now. A lot of things are shut down, so I feel like that's pretty fast, 8 days. So I'm not complaining about that. The stuff was really cheap, so my items came in a package like this. It has like a little zipper on top. It's like a little Ziploc bag. The packaging is really nice. Like, I'm really impressed. For the stuff to be so cheap, the packaging is pretty nice. Now, I did order some items from the Shein app, but they didn't get here yet. So most likely I will be doing a clothing haul and a review on the items from Shein, even though I'm pretty sure it's the same company, just different names. But I will be doing a video on the items I purchased from Shein as well. So let's get into it. So this is the first item I'm trying on. This is a solid one shoulder crop top. I ordered this in the size small, and I love it. The material is nice, and I only got it for $4.95. Right now it's $4.21 on the app, but I only spent $4 for the shirt, and I love it. And this material is great as well. It doesn't feel like cheap material. Like, it feels like pretty good material. So I'm really impressed. I really do like this shirt. I also got this leopard knotted front tube top for $5.95, and I like it. So it comes like a long hair scarf, like a long scarf, and you have to put it around and tie it into like a knot. So this is more for the beach. I don't know if I really would like just wear this. It's really cute. I like it. It definitely looks like it looks in the picture, just like it looks in the picture. I like this. And also the material is great, and I did purchase this in a size small. And again, you have to kind of wrap it around and tighten the knot, so it doesn't feel that secure. Maybe I have to tie it tighter, but it's definitely cute. And I also got the ribbed one shoulder crop top, and it's in white. I don't really like wearing white, but this looks pretty cute. The material again is great, and I ordered this in a size small. I love me a crop top. Super cute. And I paid $4.95 for this. It's now $4.21. So very cheap, but very cute. And I ordered this in a size small, but I think I could have got an extra small and got away with it. for it to be like more snug because I like my stuff tight. Oh, and another thing, I have a strapless black bra underneath this because this is see-through. You can see through it. So I mean, if you want to wear no bra, you can, but I have a bra underneath this so you can't see through it. But yeah. And I also got this floral print crop top. I like it a lot. Like, this is totally my style. I like it. I got this in a size small. I basically order everything in a size small, and I'm glad. I was kind of nervous because I'm just like, I don't know if it's gonna fit, but all of the stuff so far, it fits great, and I like this a lot. I got this for $7.95. So out of all the things I purchased, this is the most expensive item I got. And I'm glad I got this because I love it. I love it. And again, it comes untied, so you have to kind of like tie it in a bow. But I love it. And they did have this in different colors, but I got this print. And I got this not one shoulder crop top. This is the color purple, and I got this for $5.95 right now. They have it on the site for $5, and I got this in a size small, and I love it. It's similar to the white one I tried on. And I do have a bra underneath this one as well, because this one is see-through as well. You can see right through this. Okay, this is supposed to be a low back inside Cami Bodysuit, and I'm not really a fan of this. It's super cute, it is, but I have to hold it up like this, so I might have to safety pin this up in the back, because if I let it go, all my goodies will be out, and we can't have that. But I got this in a size small, and I got this for $4.95. It's super cute, it really is, but you have to be careful in this shirt, really careful. Because yeah, I have to be very careful when I let it down. But it is super cute. You just have to like safety pin it up so it can fit for this bodysuit. $4 for this bodysuit, not bad. So I also purchased this like crop plaid skirt set for $7.95. It's super cute. This might be like my favorite outfit from everything. Super cute. And I purchased this in a size small. Now I was really nervous about purchasing this in a size small because I'm like, I'm kind of hippie down here, and I didn't think that a small would fit, but I'm like, I don't know, I'm gonna give it a try. And it fits really nice. I have room, it's really stretchy, the material is great. Super cute, and the top is nice as well. And this came together, so this and this was $7.95. I didn't purchase it separately, it came together and it was only $7.95. Not bad. And they definitely have this in different prints and different styles. So yeah, this is cute. And the last thing I got was some high-waisted cycling shorts for $5.92. Not bad. Super cute. I love these. Makes me look like I have a body, okay? But these are super cute. And the material is nice. And I got this in the size medium. So I did get this in the size medium. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching.